Tired of seeing that insufficient funds message pop up on your Mamo Pay app? Ever stood in line, ready to pay, only to realize your card is empty? We've all been there. It's frustrating, right? The good news is, getting money onto your Mamo Pay card is easier than you think. In just a few minutes, you can go from oh no to let's go shopping. Today, we're going to walk through the two simplest ways to add funds to your Mamo Pay account so you can spend without a second thought. Method number 1 is a classic and probably the most common, using your debit card. It's fast, it's secure, and you likely have your debit card handy right now. First, you'll need to open your Mamo Pay app. Once you're in, you'll see a few options on your main dashboard. Look for the Add Money button, it's usually front and center. Tap on that, and you'll be taken to the next screen. Here's where you'll choose your source of funds. Since we're using a debit card, you'll select the debit card option. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to add. Be careful here and double-check your numbers. Once you've typed in the amount, a new screen will pop up asking for your card details. This is standard procedure for any online payment. You'll need to enter your 16-digit card number, the expiry date, and the CVV, which is the 3-digit code on the back of your card. Don't worry, Mamo Pay uses secure encryption to protect your information, so your data is safe. After you've entered your details, hit the Proceed or Add Funds button. Depending on your bank, you might receive a one-time password, OTP, via text message or a push notification to authorize the transaction. This is a crucial security step to prevent unauthorized use of your card. Enter the OTP in the app, and just like that, the transaction is complete. You'll see a success message, and the money will reflect in your Mamo Pay balance almost instantly. It's that simple. Now, let's talk about the second method, which is perfect if you're not a fan of typing in your card details every time. This method involves using a bank transfer. First, go back to the Add Money screen in your Mamo Pay app. This time, instead of selecting debit card, you'll look for an option that says Bank Transfer or EFT. Tapping on this will display your unique Mamo Pay account details. This is super important, so pay close attention. Mamo Pay assigns a unique bank account number to every user. This isn't a typical bank account with your name on it, it's a virtual account linked directly to your Mamo Pay wallet. You'll see the bank name, which is usually one of the major banks, along with your unique account number and a reference. Copy these details carefully. Next, you'll need to open your own bank's mobile app or log into your online banking portal. Initiate a new transfer and use the Mamo Pay details you just copied as the recipient. Enter the amount you want to add, and make sure to include the reference number Mamo Pay gave you. This reference is key because it tells Mamo Pay to deposit the money into your specific account. Without it, the transfer might be delayed or even fail. Once you've confirmed the transfer from your bank, the funds will be sent to your Mamo Pay wallet. This method can take a little longer than the debit card option, usually a few minutes to an hour, but it's a great way to top up your account without repeatedly entering your card information. You'll receive a notification from Mamo Pay once the money has arrived. And just like that, you're ready to use your card again. So there you have it, two straightforward, secure methods to add money to your Mamo Pay card. Whether you prefer the instant gratification of a debit card transaction or the simplicity of a bank transfer, you're covered. No more standing in line with an empty card. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.